Welcome to Inside Android. Today we are going to see how we can navigate from one screen to another with Jetpack Compose. In our traditional approach, when we were using XML with Java code, we have to use intent to move from one activity to another. But in Jetpack Compose, we have totally changed the scenario. We don't need multiple activities to show multiple screens. Instead, we can create multiple widgets and we can navigate amongst them to show that we are changing screen. Okay, let us see how we can do that. As you can see, this is a sample project which I have created. Okay, and what I want to do is I want to create a screen and I want to place a button on that screen. If I press the button, I want to go to the next screen. Okay, so to do that, I'll be using a Jetpack Compose navigation library. So this is the link. I'll mention this in the description box below. Copy this part, go to Gradle script and app level build.gradle, go here and paste it. In our onCreate method, we are calling set content and here we are calling greeting function. Okay, and this is showing this text here. Now what I can do is I can remove the methods. I can even remove that. Go here. Here I can create screens. So here you can see I have created two objects, screen A and screen B. Okay, and I have stored it in here. Okay, now what I can do is I can create a navigation controller which will control the navigation between these two screens. Okay, so I'll be creating that out of UI. I'll be creating a new class. Its name will be name controller. It will not be a class now. Okay, it will be a function and it will be a composable function. Now this will take two things. One is nav controller, so that will be the controller. Okay, and it will be taking, then I'm not going to use this one, I'm going to use start destination one. Okay, the start destination will be screens dot route dot okay. Now this is taking a navigation controller and it is showing and it is asking us for the start destination. Okay, which we have given as screen A. All right, now we are given two methods, composable. This will take a route. Okay, so the route is screens dot a dot screen a dot route. Okay, and when this route is called, we will be showing a screen. The same we will do for B screen. Currently we have not created A and B screen. Okay, now let us create A and B screen. So what I can do is let's create screen A. This will be a function as well and it will be a composable function. It will take a nav controller because we will be using navigation controller to move from one screen to another. Okay, and then I can just create a box. What we can do is we can create a button here. On click of this, what I'll do is I'll do nav controller dot navigate screen dot screen B dot route. Okay, and this button will be having a text. Now if you want to see how does it look, Okay, as you can see, this is how our screen A looks. If we click on this button, we should move to the screen B. Now let us create screen B. So this is my screen A and this is my screen B. Alright, now I'll go back to my navigation controller. Here I'll call and I'll pass controller here, and in B I'll just I'll pass screen B. Okay, but here in my main activity, as you can see, I'm not calling anything right now here. So I'll set up nav controller here. So what to do that, I'll just call this method here and I'll pass it this way. Okay, let us see how our app looks. So if we click on this, okay, we are going to screen B. If I click back, we again come to screen A. If I click here, we go to screen B and we click back, and if I click back again, the app will close. Okay, this is how our navigation is working for Jetpack Compose. Thank you so much for watching.